Here is a comprehensive guide on how to make soap with just 3 ingredients: water, oil, and caustic soda, also known as lye. Making soap with just 3 ingredients is a simple and rewarding process with water, oil, and caustic soda. You can create a natural and moisturizing soap that is gentle on skin. In this guide, I will walk you through the step-by-step process of making soap with these 3 ingredients. Safety. Before starting, it's important to take necessary safety precautions. Caustic soda is a strong alkaline substance that can cause skin and eye irritation. So it's important to handle it with care. Wear protective gear such as gloves, goggles, and a long-sleeved shirt to minimize exposure. Let's establish our ingredients for this production. Oil, 106 grams. Caustic soda, 14 grams. Water, 53 grams. Accurately measure and prepare each ingredient to ensure a successful soap making process. Slowly add the caustic soda to the water in a well-ventilated area while stirring carefully. The mixture will heat up and produce fumes. Let it cool down to around 40 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. In this case, we have already dissolved our caustic soda with our water. So we'll just pour it into the oil. Slowly pour the caustic soda or lye solution into the oil and stir properly. Stir until you reach trace. Pour the soap mixture into a mold and shape it as desired. Let it set and harden for 24 to 48 hours. Insulate the soap with a towel or blanket to keep it warm and let it cure for 24 to 48 hours. After this period, you can unmold the soap and cut it into bars. You can then leave it for 3 to 4 weeks before you start using. This is about 6 hours. We're about to unmold the soap. Normally, it's supposed to stay for 24 hours or 48 hours. But make sure you wait for 24 to 48 hours before unmolding your soap. Then keep it in a ventilated area for it to dry for 3 to 4 weeks. See you in my next video. Bye.